Welcome back. I am Rajesh Jha, motivational speaker and agriculture student. In this channel, you can see about modern updated knowledge of all subjects of agriculture, technical education, traditional culture, and motivational speech, etc. In today, we will start a new subject, and the subject is extension education and community development. In this video, we will discuss about chapter 1 of extension education and community development subject. Let's start our class. Then chapter 1, introduction of education. Then the first topic is meaning and concept of education, and let's describe about it. Education is acquiring knowledge and habits through instructions and study. It is a process of bringing socially desirable changes in human behavior. And education bringing following changes in human behavior. At first, change in knowledge, change in what people know. And the second is change in skill, change in what people do. And the third is change in attitude, change in what people think. And the fourth is change in behavior, change in what people used to do. And the next topic is definition of education. And the definition of education is the process of bringing socially desirable change in human behavior such as knowledge, skill and attitude, etc. And the next topic is types of education. At first, formal education, second, informal education, and the third is non-formal education. Let's describe about it. At first, formal education. Formal education is a highly institutionalized, chronological, graded, and hierarchical structured formal system of teaching at institution from primary school to university level. It is subject-oriented, full-time sequences leading to certificates, diplomas, and degrees. And the second is informal education, the lifelong process by which every person acquires and accumulates knowledge, skill, attitude, changes through day-to-day experience and exposed to the environment at any place, home, at work, at play, from friends, from travel, and by reading newspapers, books, or by listening to radio, music, by viewing films or televisions, or playing, etc. And the third is non-formal education, a group of selected type of learning SMS at the institutions for a group of selected people, either farmers, local leaders, etc., with particular interest and needs us, known as non-formal education. It includes farmers training program, adult literacy program, and various community programs such as health, nutrition, agriculture, livestock, and family planning, etc. Difference between formal and non-formal education. This is the difference between formal and non-formal education. The formals includes at first this education is meant for those who come to school or college, and in non-formal this education is meant for those who do not come to school or college. And the second is there is a standard curriculum or course of study of basic subjects which are tough throughout the country. And in non-formal, there is no standard curriculum or course of study. And the third is learning depends on repetition and book work. And the next, learning depends on the discussion, practical demonstration, and participation by the group. And the fourth is teaching staff are trained and qualified for jobs at different levels. And next, teaching work is carried out by the people with professional qualification, agriculture, veterinary science, etc., but without formal training in education. And the 5, formal examination is conducted, and in non-formal 50 is no any examination is conducted. 6, students study subject. Next, farmers study problem. 7, authority rests with the teacher. Next, authority rests with the learners. 8, students are younger than their teacher. Next, farmers or clients are often more mature than extension worker or more capable of gaining or livelihood within the limits of their environment. And the 9 is the teacher has more or less homogeneous audience, and next, extension worker has heterogeneous audience. 10 is the teacher starts with the theory and works to the practical. Next, the teacher extension worker starts with the practical and take up theory later on. And 11 is it has all pre-planned and pre-decided program. Next, it has freedom to develop program locally, and things are based on needs and expressed desires of the people. 12 is it is more theoretical, and next is it is more practically intended for immediate application as a solution to the problems. 13 is class attendance is compulsory, and next is participation is purely voluntary. 14, fees and fines are charged are taken. Next, no fees and fines are taken. Charges are taken. 15. It is rigid. Next, it is flexible. 16. Admission and registration process is followed. And next, there is no admission but registration process is there. And the 17 and last is teaching is mainly vertical and curriculum oriented. Next, teaching is mainly horizontal and mostly needed based and problem oriented. Then the next topic is role of non-formal education in rural development. Then at first, rural development is a comprehensive development in agriculture, livestock, infrastructure, poverty elimination, health, education, etc. in rural communities. People require little education to participate in development activities, but the majority of the rural population have to access informal education. Therefore, the non-formal education is only alternative to educate them. The non-formal has following roles for rural development. At first, need-based curriculum and learning facilities. Second, opportunity to out-of-school group. Third, technical transfer and extension. 4, utilization of local resources. 5, motivation and encouragement. 6, improving rural standard of life. And that's our topics are finished here. If you want to take more notes and knowledge on this field, please like and subscribe my channel for motivate me to upload more videos. If you have any doubt or problem on this subject or out of this subject, you can comment on comment box as soon as possible. I will reply. And never miss to like and subscribe. If this video is essential for other friends, then share this video. Your friend Rajesh Shah.